Guys, if we construct triangles, we have to label. Labeling is very important. So my first line is going to be AB. So AB is 7 centimeters. So I'm drawing AB. Remember, you're going to construct. You can't measure and guess. Right? So I label AB. Right? And this is 7 centimeters. Right. Then BC is 8. But I don't know where C is going to be. So what I'm going to do, because BC is 8 centimeters, I don't know where C. So I take my ruler, I take my compass, and I'm going to open my compass from 0 to 8 centimeters. Right? So that is exactly 8 centimeters. Then I'm going to put my sharp end on B, and I know the distance from B, doesn't matter where, the distance there, that's 8 centimeters. Alright? So I'm going to do the same with AC. I don't know where C. AC is 10 centimeters. So I'm going to open my compass till I get 10 centimeters. Exactly 10. Remember, as accurate as you can be. There's 10 centimeters. Put it on the vertex. And there's my 10 centimeters. And there, where the arc's intersecting, that will be C. Now you can take your ruler and you can measure from, look there, exactly 8. From C to B is exactly 8 centimeters. And from A to C, exactly 10 centimeters. That is a construction, not guessing game, please. You're going to lose marks. We're giving marks for arcs. So remember to label your triangle.